Hi there, welcome to my channel. The place where every recipe comes with a hint of fun. Today we are going to create the perfect burger, a recipe that will surprise you with its simplicity and incredible flavor. So, let's get straight to the point so you can make this wonder in your own kitchen. We start by separating the fresh ingredients into 4 portions. Ingredients: 500 grams, 18 ounces, of fresh ground beef. The ideal fat ratio is 80% meat and 20% fat. 2 cloves of garlic, chopped. An egg. A cup of chopped parsley. A teaspoon of paprika. Salt and black pepper to taste. 500 grams, 18 ounces, of cheddar cheese. A bunch of crisp green lettuce leaves. 2 large tomatoes. 1 medium onion. 4 buns with sesame seeds. Now, don't forget to choose quality meat, preferably with a good proportion of fat. This is essential to guarantee a juicy burger. So, let's get to the preparation of the meat. In a large bowl, add the ground beef, salt, black pepper, egg, minced garlic, chopped parsley and paprika. Mix gently with your hands so that the seasonings are incorporated without compressing the meat too much, preserving its texture. Then, divide the mixture into 4 equal portions and carefully shape the burgers. Ideally, they should be about 2 centimeters thick. Place the finished burgers on a plate and let them rest for a few minutes. This step helps the meat maintain its shape during cooking. Meanwhile, prepare your grill or skillet. Heat it over medium-high heat and add a splash of oil to prevent the burgers from sticking. When the surface is very hot, carefully place the burgers. The sizzling sound is a sign that you are on the right track. Let it cook without stirring for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. This ensures a golden, delicious crust while keeping the inside soft and juicy. When you flip the burgers, take the opportunity to add the cheese. Place a slice on each burger, and if you want to speed up the melting process, cover the pan for a few seconds. The result will be a creamy and irresistible layer of melted cheese on the meat. While the burgers finish cooking, heat the buns. You can place them in the oven or in the same frying pan for a few seconds, just to make them slightly golden and have an even more pleasant texture. Now it's time to assemble the burger. Start with the bread base, add a fresh lettuce leaf, a tomato slice or 2, and red onion rings. Place the burger with melted cheese in the center and top with your favorite sauce. It could be mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard or a special sauce that you prepared yourself. Close with the top of the bread and press lightly to combine all the flavors. If you want an extra touch of presentation, cut the burger in half before serving. This highlights all the layers and makes the dish even more appetizing. Serve with simple sides like fries or a fresh salad, and enjoy every bite of this homemade burger. So, did you like the recipe? Best of all, you can customize it however you like, adding crispy bacon, pickles, or even grilled mushrooms. A homemade burger will always have a special flavor. Now it's up to you. Gather the ingredients, follow the step-by-step and experience the explosion of flavors. Then, tell me in the comments how your burger turned out. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes like this. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.